Welcome, dear students, to the online classes. I hope you are doing well. Children, I will continue chapter 4, Growing Up. I have already discussed the following topics: equality between boys and girls, how boys and girls should treat each other, and equality at home. Children, today you will study the last topic of the chapter, that is women in the world, and after the explanation we will do the exercises of this lesson also. Women in the world. Just like children should be allowed to play with toys of their choice, men and women should also be allowed to do the work of their choice. These days, women and men take part in all activities they like and achieve success in the work they choose. Many men excel at cooking and have become great chefs. So children, both men and women can do the work of their choice and they can achieve success also. Just like men, many women excel at activities which were considered to be done only by men in the past. Let us look at some women achievers from different fields. What is the meaning of achievers? Achievers means people who are very successful in their field. First, police. Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer and became the in charge of the government of Puducherry in 2016. So children, Kiran Bedi was India's first woman police officer. Now let us know more about other women who have achieved success in their field. Sports. 5 times world champion Mary Kom won an Olympic medal in 2012 and was awarded Arjuna Award, Padma Bhushan and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Deepika Kumari won the Arjuna Award in 2012 for winning many awards in archery. Now children, you can see in the picture women who have achieved success internationally also. On international level, women have got Nobel Peace Prize. In 1991, Aung San Suu Kyi got the Nobel Peace Prize for leading the democratic movement in Myanmar. Tawakkul Karman got the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011 for leading the non-violent struggle for the rights of women in Yemen. Children in India, 13-year-old M. Purna from Andhra Pradesh became the youngest girl to climb Mount Everest. Indian Air Force has women fighter pilots also. In 2016, Mohana Singh Avani Chaturvedi and Bhavna Kant became the first women fighter pilots in the Indian Air Force. So children, we can see how women have excelled in their field. Here you can see the pictures. Mohana Singh, Avni Chaturvedi and Bhavna Kant, the first women fighter pilots in the Indian Air Force. Children, let us look at the next picture. There is a question. Who is shown in the picture? She is an important Indian sports person. Children, the person shown in the picture is Mithali Raj. She is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only female cricketer to cross the 6,000 run mark. Exercises. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. We should respect everyone's dash. What is the answer? We should respect everyone's choice. Number 2. Children should take dash before taking things. Children should take permission before taking things. Number 3. Girls and boys should play with each other and respect the dash of the game. The word is rules. The answer is rules. Girls and boys should play with each other and respect the rules of the game. Number 4. Tawakkul Karman is from dash. The answer is Yemen. Tawakkul Karman is from Yemen. Yemen is the name of the country, children. Number 5. Aung San Suu Kyi got the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991. So this was the fill in the blanks. Question B. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. 16-year-old M. Purna from Andhra Pradesh became the youngest girl to climb the Mount Everest. This is false. Why this is false? M. Purna is of 13 years. She is 13 years old, not 16 years old. Number 2. Mithali Raj is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket. Yes, that is true. Number 3. Aung San Suu Kyi got the Nobel Peace Prize for leading the democratic movement in Myanmar. Yes, that is true. Number 4. Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer. Yes, that is correct. True. Number 5. Deepika Kumari won the Arjuna Award in 2012 for boxing. That is false. She won the Arjuna Award for archery. Match the following. Children, I have provided the answers also. Let us see. Number 1. Mary Kom. The answer is boxing. Number 2. Deepika Kumari, it matches with archery. Number 3, Tawakkul Karman, women's rights. Number 4, Kiran Bedi, IPS. Number 5, M. Purna, Mount Everest. So this was the match the following. I hope you have understood till here. Now let us go to the next question. Answer the following questions. Number 1. How should boys and girls treat each other in school? Answer A. Boys and girls should respect each other. B. They should not push or hit each other. C. They should give each other space to walk and play. D. They should take permission before taking things. So this was answer 1. Question 2. How was work divided between men and women? Answer. Women always did household work like cooking, cleaning, washing and taking care of children, whereas men did outside work like going to offices, shops, etc. Question 3. What kind of activities are done by women these days? Answer. These days, women take part in all activities they like and achieve success in the work they choose. They are achieving success in sports, police service, IAF, etc. Here IAF means Indian Air Force. Question 4. Who is Mary Kom? Answer. Mary Kom has been 5 times world champion in boxing. She won an Olympic medal in 2012 and was awarded Arjuna Award, Padma Bhushan and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. Question 5. Name the 3 Air Force fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force. Children, this is the last question. Name the 3 Air Force fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force. Answer. The 3 Air Force fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force are Mohana Singh, Avni Chaturvedi and Bhavna Kant. So children, with these exercises, we come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson and exercises. Children, you have to do the exercises in your book itself and the question answers in your copy. I hope you will do your homework. Thank you.